Hi, my name is Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager for the Cloud Ecosystem and a Social Business Evangelist, and welcome to our coffee break. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect, engage, and retain female millennials. There's so much discussion today about millennials, and millennials today are a large part of the workforce. But let's hone in today on women millennials in the marketplace. Well, one of the myths about women today is that women are leaving the workforce because they're having a hard time balancing work and life. But the fact is that women aren't leaving the workforce. They're going out there and finding alternatives, creating their own businesses in numbers that are unmatched in history because they want to work in a different way. So what can be done to retain some of these millennial women that are out there? Well, there are 4 things that we find from our millennial research that can help companies retain this so valuable resource. Number 1 is the acknowledgement of the whole person, not part of a person. Everybody has passions and interests outside of work, and millennials in particular don't want to just be known for their work, but they want to embed everything about them into their work. So for instance, I may be very creative at drawing. How can you draw that into work? One woman I just recently spoke to speaks 9 languages, and she said her management didn't want to leverage that, so she quit and started her own company where she could leverage the use of those 9 languages, which she loves to speak. So figure out who the whole person is, acknowledge that, and somehow embed it into the work that your millennials are doing. Number 2, make sure that you're empowering your employees, that you're giving them the opportunity to grow, to take risks, and to lead something. Offer them stretch assignments so they can take on more and provide feedback and coaching along the way. Help them to identify some great opportunities of things that are important to them and give them ownership over a project or product, and say, you know what, this is what we need to accomplish. You can experiment, you can grow, you can take the risk. Just, deliver the results at the end. These type of challenges are so important for millennials. Number 3, engage me. Women crave a dynamic and engaging network. In fact, what they're looking for are mentors and sponsors, networking communities, and giving them time to make these connections. I was just out in San Francisco, and while I was there, we hosted a women's networking lunch with women who code, and it was so powerful. We were sold out. These women came and spent 2 hours of their day with us talking about all kinds of issues and how to grow their careers. This is one reason why I founded the Super Women's Group at IBM. We now have 38,000 women in this group, and we do webinars every month. We have discussion forums. We bring in great external speakers as well as inside speakers. It's a great place where women can share their ideas and grow without investing an overage of time, but just the right amount of time to grow and to network and to be connected as well. And finally, our 4th one is inspiration. Of course, everybody wants to be inspired, but these millennial women in particular want to feel like what they're doing matters. It makes a difference. It's helping them to change the world. Show them how what they're doing fits into the mission, and ask how they can really accomplish what they want to do about changing the world in the work that they're doing today. You'll be amazed at some of the answers that you get. So in this coffee break, some of the key takeaways are: 1, make sure that you're allowing your employees to bring in some of those personal skills that you may not even know that they have. 2, give them challenges and opportunities and empower them and coach them to learn. 3, connect them with others in the business. They want to network and grow through others as well. And number 4, inspire them to be all they can be. Inspire them to really go out there and change the world. My name is Sandy Carter, and this has been our coffee break.